Strabag AG is an international construction company currently working on a site in Fort William. After a free initial site visit, they hired 3 EK900s with nitrile belts, self-adjusting scraper blades, and specified for handling wet, sticky materials. Designed for high performance, safety and durability, the EasyKit900 is a fully weatherproofed modular conveyor system. The EasyKit900 helps to significantly improve on-site productivity. The 7.66 metre conveyors were initially hired to get them set up quickly, but soon after were purchased in order to undergo taking materials from under silos and conveying it away. For more information on how Coveya can assist your projects, contact us today. Thank you.